Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Floki Shiba holders doing a very big mistake. The big mistake of holders we discuss in this video, and absolutely in this video I will share the latest update of the Floki Shiba holders doing in this time, my friends. Mistake, my friends, absolutely, if you do this mistake, so you lose your money in a Floki Shiba. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. My friends, first of all, if we talk about the Floki Shiba price, so you can see the price of the Floki Shiba is good. The price of Floki Shiba is low. That's why I recommend for all of you that invest more and more in the Floki Shiba, because the price is very low. In other hand, my friends, the mistake you can see that last 24 hours, the last 1 day changes of the Floki Shiba is a negative 18.03%. the price falls down in just in the last 24 hours. So my friends, you know what, when a lot of holders see this kind of negative changes occurs in the Floki Shiba, so they are disappointed and they decide to sell, my friends. And I think that is really a big mistake of all holders. You know what, my friends, now in a nowadays the Floki Shiba is the trending token in the market. So why you decide to sell, my friends? Now you can see here that is a temporary fall. Now the price is become 17. So now at this time the latest changes of the Floki Shiba is going positive. So you can see that's clear for everybody that you're losing your money clearly, my friends. When a lot of people see a small falls occurs in the Floki Shiba, so they decide to sell, and that's really a big mistake. Don't decide to sell. Be patient and wait for a pump if the price falls down. Let me show you the price chart, my friends. I'm sure about Floki Shiba that Floki Shiba will make millionaire in 2021, my friends. Just hold Floki Shiba token. You can see now a trending token in the market, Floki Shiba. So my friends, invest more and more in the Floki Shiba. If the price will pump, so you will get a high amount of profit from a Floki Shiba. Anyways, what do you think about Floki Shiba future, my friends? Is Floki Shiba good for an investment or not? Just tell me in the comment box your opinion about FShiba token, my friends. And also, my friends, make sure to subscribe. Click the subscribe button now and like this video for more news and updates videos.